Turns in the rain is never fun, but the animals got to get taken care of. We are currently experiencing lots of flooding here. We've been having rain for weeks at this point. More rain is to come, so it's not looking too great at us drying out, but mud season is upon us here in Michigan. Emma is officially on baby watch. She is 146 days today. For standard breeds, gestation is about 150 days, but really they could go anywhere from 145 days up to 155 days. She is on baby watch, so let's go check. As you can see, we are so flooded. Not great. Luckily, this area is pretty dry. Draw down. Good morning, girls. All right, girly pop. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check her ligaments, which are her bones, and then go down, which I still feel them on this side. They're softening though. They're starting to soften, but I can still feel them.
Do you need help?
Go ahead. Good girl. We're having some flooding issues underneath here coming in from outside, so we're gonna pack in the straw, keep a layer down to try to keep it a little bit more dry. And yeah.